Hey there, business owners! Are you tired of unreliable shipping services? Let's talk about fast and reliable cargo shipping that can change the game for your business. Whether you import from China, the USA, or Dubai, I've got great news for you. Imagine a world where your shipments arrive on time, every time. With our express cargo service, that world is now a reality. We offer door-to-door service by both air and sea. This means you get the flexibility to choose the best option for your needs. Need something shipped fast? Our air cargo service is lightning quick. Have larger, bulkier items? Our sea freight option is perfect for you. We handle both commercial and household items because we know that every shipment is crucial. From small packages to large containers, we've got you covered. And let's talk about reliability. Our dedicated team ensures that your cargo is handled with the utmost care and professionalism. Unique features? You bet! Real-time tracking means you always know where your shipment is. Competitive rates ensure you get the best value for your money. And our customer support is available 24/7 to answer any questions you might have. So if you're looking for a shipping partner that understands your needs and delivers on their promises, look no further. Choose our fast and reliable cargo shipping service today and watch your business thrive. That's it for now. Thanks for tuning in and happy shipping.